this is what's going on. I have a mentorship program. It's $15,000. You just can't buy it. We have to have a conversation. Emails below. But something that's for everybody, the King program. If you want to be making more money in the next 90 days, you want to get on the King program. And if you're willing to do the work, don't worry about the payment plan. Get your ass on the payment plan so you can start learning. I just saw some of the most ridiculous bullshit that I've ever seen. My rich BFF, she's an Asian lady. She's an influencer, right? They were talking about rich people, these rich women up on the upper New York side buying fake bags. Okay, let me kind of give you a little detail about my life. I've always been a watch guy, and when I bought my Rolex, I went ahead and got a real one. And Rolex, a lot of rich people are wearing real Rolexes. Now, I would never buy a fake ass Rolex or I'm bougie. I'm bougie. If I can find that picture of my luggage, I spent $7,500 on some luggage. You know what? Let me work on finding that picture so I can be sure to put that in there. Because this whole notion, and this is like her name, she's in the thumbnail. I have a friend at the Apparel Mart who told me this bitch was going out with dudes in New York and using for fake meals so she could save her money. So I don't really put a lot of stock in what she says. That's just me. But I'm going to go right back, find this picture. Well, maybe not. Yeah, we're gonna have to go back to get to this picture, because this whole notion of, rich people buying fake stuff so that other people will, and then I have to go back. Well, actually, that's not the actual picture. That's a picture of a picture. But I think it's personally bullshit that people out here thinking that rich people are buying, let's see. All right, so let me, here's a little picture for you. That's one of my exes. She is super fucking pretty. Just to fuck with you broke bitches who can't get a pretty woman for some pussy. That's an ex. Yeah, I'm having fun. But personally, I think that shit's bullshit, because I lived in Sandy Springs. Google the average home price in zip code 30327. Google that shit. And these folks were not walking around with fake shit on. Every time I hear that stuff, it's just more bullshit that, here we go. That's my luggage. Right? I'm not out buying no fake ass luggage. I'm not out here doing that stuff. Let me see if I can find the better picture. And the better picture is going to be way back. It's going to be kind of far back. But this whole notion that, poor people tell themselves this bullshit. Well, they got this money, but they spend like me. They eat like me. They dress like me. They fuck like me. No, we don't. No, we don't. This notion of going out there and just saying that rich folks are doing all this, I just thought that was hilarious. Do I believe her? Absolutely not. Why? Because my neighbors were fucking millionaires. This neighbor over here paid cash for the house. This neighbor over here, her parents bought their fucking house. I'm just sitting there like, I have lived around real wealth. So this whole notion that, poor people, rich people out here buying fake shit, it makes absolutely no sense. Oh, also to fuck with some more people. That's another ex. Yeah, yep. I like fucking with you, broke dick. No sex getting little motherfuckers. I can show you my exes and compare it to my current girlfriend, who is super pretty, super sensual. She's got a lot of comedic ways about her. She's funny as shit. But I would tell you a story, but she would be embarrassed if I told that story. So I'm not going to tell that story. But this story is funny as hell. It is funny as hell. I may tell it in a private training. I think I can get away with that. But I will not put that out in public about my baby. I got to respect the relationship, so I cannot go there. But let's see. What else can we... Because we should get there. Oh. Another ex. Perfectly round head. She had a great mouth on her, too. So, let's see. I got a lot of pictures going. I've got probably 14,000 pictures on my phone. So it takes me a while to find some stuff. But back to being on point. I think it's complete and utter bullshit to think that rich people out buying, and in the comments it's like, oh yeah, I'm like, okay, Rolex does not produce enough watches to sell everybody, and this includes their high-end watches. This is, my watch was 52, and that was resale pricing. That wasn't normal pricing. So it makes me wonder what normal pricing is. I would think normal pricing is probably like 38,000. So yeah, now that was just something else too. If you buy the right Rolex at the right time and you hold on to it for years, you could sell it for more in the future. So why the fuck would you buy something fake? That makes no sense. You buy something real, and trust me, they know it's real, because when I sold my watch, the guy took it back there, because they had to check it out. They wouldn't just go take my word for it. And they're like, oh, this sucker's real. And they paid me my money. And I also tell you, there was a guy there, and this is one of the reasons about, let's see. Nah, I'm not going to do that. Another ex. Oh, I'm just in a playful mood right now. I just am. And I like fucking with you, broke. No pussy getting... Oh, this me, once again, going to the bank and not pulling out any money because I'm broke. I don't have no money. I'm broke like you motherfuckers. I'm just broke. I love fucking with you people. I really do. Oh, this was like long before I went away. Payment processors. Once again, this is me broke. I don't have no money. I have no money. Payment processors. Go ahead, zoom in so you can start doing your little nigger calculations. Because that's everyone who's counting my money. It's the nigger collection of broke, hopeless folks who can't do shit, don't have anything going on in life, and all they can do is just talk shit about people who do have things going on in life. Like, this woman is actually on the show, and they're going ahead and, once again, Poor people are buying this stuff because it makes them feel good about being broke, not having no money, not having any shit going on in life. They feel good about that shit, right? But the reality is rich people spend money on real shit. That's the majority. Most rich people are not out here buying broke, fake ass shit to try to impress who? And once again, give you a good example. My friend Sarkis, the one that started the bank. I walk in with my gold Rolex and he's a jeweler. He knew instantly that shit was real. He knew. So if you're dealing with folks, let me give you the layers. So let's say first layer rich, 15 million. They may not know. But you're dealing with someone who has a net worth of 50, 75, or 100 million, and they have people in their circle. These folks know. Why? Because they bought it, or they have friends, and they're very aware of how people get down. You're very aware. And this is something else too. I would not walk around my friends with a fake ass Rolex on. That makes no sense because that's how you fucking embarrass yourself. Let me go around my boys. There it is. That's the picture that I want you guys to see. That's the luggage, right? That's the luggage. $7,500. Why the fuck am I gonna be out buying a fake Rolex, fake luggage? Also, you know why I bought this luggage? This shit is durable as hell. It's been used several times and this shit looks brand new. Brand fucking new. It's called Rimowa. Mirimowa. Rimowa. Great stuff. And then ship fast too. When you buy it, you get the shit in like 2 days. But once again, you know, this whole notion that rich folks are out buying fake shit so they could, the lies that poor people keep telling themselves, all right, instead of lying about what rich people do, go ahead, put together your shit, get you a business, get you some money so you can stop hoping and wishing and making up all these stories about rich folks. The shit is crazy. And that bitch, BFF, I'm like, well, this whole thing, the rich folks are about, like, I would say if you're wealthy and you're out here buying fake stuff because you're cheap, because see, once again, the majority of these folks who use the word they're wealthy or rich really aren't wealthy or rich. Starting point for real wealth is 15 million. Intermediate wealth is 50 to 75 million. And then we start moving to standardized wealth, which is 100 million plus. Now, once you get to 100 million, you can live like a billionaire. Easy, easy, easy. Then you get to 500 million, you might as well be a billionaire. I mean, you're really that close. You get to your first billion, and this is the thing. Let's talk about the arc of wealth. Let's say you get your 15 million, then you go from 15 million to 50 million, and then when you get to about 50 to 75 million, your house doesn't change even though your income goes up. You may get another house, but 7,500 million, your house doesn't change, your car, because you already have what you want. You've got a nice ass house, you've got a fleet of cars. So 7,500 million, you go from 100 million to a billion, not a lot changes except your bank account. Just your bank account. Once again, this is from someone who has lived in the neighborhood with billionaires, and I'll tell you an Arthur Blank story. Years ago, and this was years and years ago, I was still in the storage auction business, and I was at this house off West Paces Ferry, and this is what the lady was saying. Arthur Blank lived behind her, and Arthur bought house on this side and this side to knock him down so he could have this huge lot. That's what Arthur Blank did. This bullshit of, you think Arthur Blank is out buying a fake ass Rolex? The owner of the Atlanta Falcons, he's out here buying fake. No, he's not. No, he's not. He's buying real shit. And that's why I think Arthur's like 84 years old and his wife is in her 50s. In her 50s. Because he can do shit like that. And your little broke ass can't. You can't. All you can do is sit here and hate. Also, whenever I put up a video and it's a business video and you're asking me personal questions like, what's your net worth? Well, I'm just going to delete it because you're not listening to the video. Your broke ass should be listening to me versus trying to evaluate me with your fuzzy ass nigga math. Nigga math and real wealth, it don't mix. It just doesn't mix. So, keep your nigga math over there because it don't work over here. It don't work over here.